The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a 6.9-inch screen, similar to its predecessor, the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Recent models like the S21 Ultra and S24 Ultra had slightly smaller 6.8-inch screens. While speculations about the S25 Ultra's screen size have surfaced, reputable Samsung insider Ice Universe has not officially confirmed this. Rumors suggest a more luxurious design with slimmer borders. Samsung seems focused on maintaining its flagship standard with consistent screen sizes and top-tier performance, integrating Exynos 2500 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipsets. Camera upgrades across all models are expected, with potential improvements such as an enhanced sensor and increased megapixels, including a possible comeback for the beloved 10x zoom feature. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below.